Today's our topic is reflection. Okay, whenever you are hearing reflection, did you get anything in your mind? Yeah, reflection, you can think about your reflection in the mirror. All of you will be using the mirror every day, right? So whenever you are going in front of the mirror, it reflects our faces, right? So same like that, here you can see one shape, one image has been given, and middle one line is there. So that is the line of reflection. So you can see the same shape has been done here, right? So that is the mirror image. Okay, so whenever you see one object here, okay, this is the image. So after the line of reflection, this one will reflect here, and this is the mirror image. Okay, you can check if it is reflected properly or not. Okay, how you can check? You can use a ruler. Okay, you can use a ruler, and after that you can check from here, this point. Yeah, this is the line, right? Mirror line. You can take from here to here, what will be the length, and same way you can start from here up to here. If the lines are same length, okay, then this is the reflection of that image. Okay, like that you can check. You can take each points, like this point you can take from this point to this point. Yeah, you can take the ruler and measure it if the length, and from this point to this point you can take the measurement. Then after that, if the line comes equal, that means it is the mirror image. Okay, this point also you can check from here to here, then this point to this point, then the third point you can take like this one, this point to this point, here to here. Okay, you have to check like that, and you can just find if it is correct or not. Okay, see here you can see some shapes. Yeah, these shapes are not reflected in the line of reflection. Why? Can you say? Here, see, this is the line. Yeah, this is a mirror line, and after the reflection you can see this point. If I am taking this point, okay, this point to the line and this point to the line, is that straight? No, right? And also the measurement is also different. So you can see each figures here. See, this one pentagon is coming. See, after seeing this figure itself, you can understand this is not the reflection of this image, right? And this one also. See, this one, you might be thinking, right, this is also rectangle, this is also rectangle, then why I am telling that it is not the reflection? Why? Because see, this is the mirror line, right? So line of reflection is this one, and this line to this line. Yeah, what will be, how much will be the length? It will be very small millimeter will be coming. See, from here to here, it's too far, right? So we cannot tell it as, okay, this is the reflection of that image. Yeah, you got it? So here you can see some examples for shapes that are reflected in the line of reflection. So after seeing the shapes, you can immediately identify that these all are the reflection. Yeah. So I think this is very easy for you. You have to just see for the mirror line. Okay, just see for the mirror line, then after that reflect that each images. That's it. Okay, so now you can take your workbook and page number 214 and 215. You can do it as homework, and please send for me. Okay, thank you.